Most people who start poultry farming thinks the job is simple. Just give the bird feed, give them water, and wait for the eggs or meat. But here is the truth most beginners don't realize. A chicken is a very complex machine, and the farmers who understand how that machine works are the ones whose birds grow fast, lay better, and rarely die mysteriously. So today, let's break something down in the simplest possible way. What exactly is inside a poultry, and why should you even care as a poultry farmer? First thing you must understand, bears are very different from humans. For example, humans have hair, bears have feathers. Humans have teeth, bears have no teeth. Instead, bears have something called a gizzard, which is quite ridiculous saying it because we've all heard of a gizzard. So why do you even have to care whether bears have gizzard or not? Here's the thing. Gizzard is what does the grinding. So when you feed your bears whole grain, unbroken maize or unbroken grain, they won't be able to digest it unless they have what we call grit or stones. That's what is found in the gizzard and helps in the grinding. And that's one reason why fermenting the feed in water for it to soften really helps in the digestion and absorbing process. This is a very simple but powerful lesson, and I'll be making video on feed fermentation very soon, so stay tuned. The next thing is what every farmer cares about: good growth. Growth in poultry occurs in two ways. The first thing is increase in the number of cells, and the second thing is increase in the size of the cells. After hatching, most growth happens because cell becomes bigger, especially the muscles, those at the breast and thigh. If your feed lacks protein or minerals, your birds will never grow well, no matter how much they feed. Think of it this way. Imagine giving your chicks only maize, only maize. You grind the maize and you throw it to them for them to eat. The protein content in maize is very small. So the birds would eat the maize all right, but you realize they will start growing lean. They won't grow well, they will become sickly, and then they will start dying. So good growth is equivalent to good muscle growth. And that muscle growth comes when you feed your birds feed that is balanced, that is nutritious, that has the right amount of protein, especially when they are chicks. The third thing is something you'd also find very interesting. Have you ever had chicks that aren't strong, they can't even stand? That's because the right nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, vitamin D that the hen or their mother had to get in forming the eggs was deficient. And sometimes when the chicks hatch, they have very soft bones. You see that the bears would walk badly, they will sit all day, sometimes they will collapse suddenly and they will spread their legs. And when that happens, you can't even reverse the process. They'll just end up dying. So make sure that the feed you are giving the mother poultry, the hen, especially, is high in calcium. Now let's talk about eggs. I've already said that the hen needs high nutrient if you want the chicks to also be strong. But what if you want the hen to produce a lot of eggs? Then light plays a very important role in egg production. When birds receive 16 to 18 hours of light, their bodies releases hormones that stimulate egg production. That's how their body naturally works. They need light to stimulate egg production, and the more they get the light, the more the this process stimulation would go on. So one way to keep egg production on is to use lighting. If you have light in your poultry farm, just turn the light on as at dawn. When it's around 5, turn it on and keep the light on until 7 or 8 in the night. That period that you are giving them really stimulates the egg production and helps you get more eggs. And you need to also be ready to feed them well, give them good nutrients, because egg production is not just about light, it's also about getting the right building materials, which includes water, good food, and a good and sound environment. So what's the big takeaway in this video? The more you understand the bird, the better you would have production and the less problems you are going to be having. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.